What is going on, everybody? BVF Collection back at it again with another unwrapping today. Today we got ourselves a kill hoodie, ladies and gentlemen. A BRED kill hoodie, to be exact. Look at this, size of my hand. There's a hoodie, well, a small hoodie. A hoodie in this freaking tiny little thing. I can't believe someone actually managed to put it in here. But here we go. Oh my gosh, it was just waiting to be open. Here we go, here we go. Oh, I see it. I sees it. Okay, now getting it out of here is gonna be a little bit of an issue. So we're gonna like put you guys down for a second. Oh, that was darkness. So what we're first gonna do, unfold it like this, you know what I'm saying? And then yeah. Oh my gosh, folded like crap. Let's go, baby. This is the last time you're gonna see it this bad, as far as folded wise. And now, holy guacamole. Oh, look at that factory flaw. Very unfortunate, but that puff though. Let's check the inside. Ooh, still soft. I'm digging it, Other than the factory flaw, puff's looking pretty cracked, but not too cracked. You know what I'm saying? Gotta look at that tag, you know. Authenticity, baby, guaranteed around these parts. Yeah. And we're gonna get ourselves a little sleeve text. And you know we gotta save the best for last. You know that kill hand. Pretty cracked up the wazoo. Yeah, still nice, Again, soft on the inside, not gonna lie. Digging that. Got that metal eyelids, you know, independent blank skis. All right, oh baby. Very nice. Very nice. We got some missing puff around here. But overall, when you're looking at it from afar, you know what I'm saying? That looking nice. But yeah, obviously, really cracked to smithereens. And again, this part's really bad. But check that out. His fingernails intact, baby. Actually, all of them are. But yeah, this has been a very nice unwrapping. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.